Hello guys, today is day 3 of the clutch, or not clutch, the gearbox rebuild change. Today is the day where we are going to swap. No, today is not the day. Today is the day. Hello guys, today is day 3 of the manual swap conversion. And I begin here to show you my old gearbox, as you remember from the day 2 and day 1. So here it is, pretty big as you can see, and yeah, so very soon it's time to fit the manual gearbox, and we're then also gonna fit clutch piping to the brake reservoir, brake fluid reservoir. And later we're gonna change to this door actually, and it's not looking like 100% perfect, but it's a lot better than the one I have, which is very bad over here. So yeah, now you know that. So the car is gonna get a new door pretty soon as well, so it's a lot of work going down, and I'm very sorry that I don't have so much time to edit these days, but hopefully I will get a few videos out, because when you are watching this, I am currently, like now, having trouble, and I have like four or five videos left before you can see this video you're watching now. So yeah, let's begin. Here's the manual transmission, which is a lot lighter and smaller, as you see, so we also need to connect another drive line right here. And the brake fluid reservoir is right here, and as you can see, it has a tap right there. So you just need to cut that so it will flow brake fluid right through here, and we will wire that up to the piping we took in yesterday, so, which goes from the transmission to like underneath here with the pedals. And we are currently removing the oil cooler for the automatic gearbox, and after that it's actually time to mount the manual transmission, so that's nice. Yeah, that's the piping from the oil cooler to the automatic transmission. Weight reduction, bruh, and more weight reduction right here. The most weight reduction is the gearbox itself, because this manual one is really light compared to the automatic one. It's really heavy and big. Whoop whoop, 4 pipings, even more weight reduction. How heavy is this? Yeah, it's about 250 grams. Race car gearbox is from an E34 520, as I said earlier. It had these brackets. It was right there and right here. So we are replacing these E34 brackets with E36 ones, so this gearbox will fit. This bracket is also for E34, so we're gonna remove this whole bracket and mount it some other way. I will show you later. Okay, we are also changing this gear linkage, or whatever it's called, because from E34 this is way longer or something. So we're actually taking this, and this is from my crashed 323 actually, because this guy, he bought my crashed E36. So yeah, he bought it to take parts from it, and this is actually my old gearbox, but he's going to keep that, and he has sold me this, the 520 from E34. So that's, we're just swapping over some. So if you cannot use E34 gear linkage on this, so we have swapped it now, so it will fit to my 325. Ready to fill this hole with some manual stick. Oh. There's the drive shaft and the gearbox, the little lightweight racing gearbox. And we're now mounting the brackets right here. We will need to raise it a little bit so this will hit right there. That's why we're using this. It's very important that everything fits nicely and is securely, and yeah, I don't know. This stuff are important. But we're getting closer. That's the most important thing. Yeah. It's time to make a hole in the brake fluid reservoir. Kommer det att pippa ut någon? Ja. It's pretty nice that it's from factory on the automatic. It's already wired up, so you can make it into a manual. So just cut that off and connect it. Clutch is now aired or bleed. We have been bleeding the clutch, and I mounted the air filter box and the mass airflow sensor and all of this and all the pipings in, or the tubes and everything down under. So yeah, we're really getting closer now. It's really nice. As you can see, also we can now see this. That's a good sign. And 3 pedals. The car will not start with just swapping to manual. We need to cut a few wires so the car thinks it's in park all the time, and then it will start. And also we need to cut some wires so the reverse lights are working. Okay, we're now gonna make sure the clutch works and the tail lights, the reverse lights work and stuff like that. So we're gonna have to start it, and if you know the problem about starting it right now, the exhaust is completely off from, seriously, from here. No more exhaust, so it's gonna be very loud, but always nice to hear straight 6 loud if it starts. So the way we tricked the car to start thinking it's in park, you cut the green and white right there and the brown right there, and you connect those together. So the two there, you see the green and the brown, and you connect those together with the black and brown right here, and that tricks it to think it's in park. And as you just saw, it started, so that works. Now you know. The gear linkage or something is wrong, so we just need to go get another one. So we will be right back after we got another one. Yep, that's right. I'm sitting on the left side, and the steering wheel is not here. It's here. On the wrong side. Hello guys, and welcome to day 4 of the manual swap. We are making some really good progress now, and we have actually installed what we need right now. So here the manual gearbox is in, and the gear knob and everything, and I have installed also some like this, so it's really nice to finally have 3 pedals right there. The clutch is really good because it's brand new, of course, so it's like when it's pulled to the floor, it like grips there, seriously, very early. So that's, I need to get used to that, but yeah. Today we are going to mount the exhaust, and yeah, what I'm gonna do today I will show you. This is how it's looking underneath now, gearbox and everything, and the drivetrain in the back, or yeah, looking pretty good. So what I will do now, here we have the exhaust, and there is actually a very annoying sound that the car has been making from the first day I bought it, and we have now figured out what it was. It's right here. You see this? Rusty. This makes a lot of noises when I drive. So we're now gonna cut this off. We don't need this. And hopefully it will not make so much noise anymore. So yeah, first order of business, cut this, and hopefully it will not make such a so much noise anymore. We're really making some progress, and we also are going to maybe try to fit this door today. We don't know yet, but yeah, we'll try to be quick, and hopefully we'll have some good progress today. Finally! Yes, that took about 2 minutes, and our major annoying problem is solved. Ow! Fuck. Not so professional. Okay, now we are going to mount the exhaust. We just cut off the horrible screws right there, or the bolts right there, so we can replace them with new ones. So this, we will mount this and this later. But for now, we will mount this, and so we can try driving it. Okay, now we're gonna swap out the oil and change to new oil on the manual transmission. Old oil. Important. Yeah, very important to keep it stiff and nice. Very soon we can have a test drive. We also swapped out some of the bolts here and stuff. We have now mounted all the essential stuff that we need to test drive it. So now it's actually time to test it.